Hey guys, Art Edmonds here at Lazy Days, checking out the 2022 Forest River Surveyor Legend 19 MBLE. This travel trailer comes complete with a power tongue jack, Asdel composite walls, which are water resistant and super durable, a walkable roof, and a power retractable awning. That's the outside. Let's take a look at the inside. Stepping inside this travel trailer, you'll notice how well appointed it is for its compact size, with a queen-size Murphy bed pull-out, an LED TV, a 2-burner cooktop stove, and a stainless steel undermount sink. Well, there you have it. The 2022 Forest River Surveyor Legend 19 MBLE comes complete with a 2-burner cooktop, queen Murphy bed, and power retractable awning. It's waiting here for you right now at Lazy Days.